Hi guys, well, we've been in Barbate for a while now, just waiting on a favourable weather opportunity to leave Barbate. The forecast's not brilliant for winds, looks like we're going to do a bit of motoring again, but it's supposed to be calm seas. So we're going to drop the lines off and reverse out with this mooring. It's a wee bit difficult because my prop wash actually goes opposite direction on this, so I've got to kind of fight it a little bit, but we'll get there. Getting a little bit of a false sense of security here because the water in the marina here is so calm. It's just like a mill pond, and there's no wind, so it's making my job very easy to get out of here. Up to now, everything's going absolutely as planned, everything's beautiful, and then we started getting the first glimpses around the edge. I was wondering why all the boats are coming in a bit early, the fishing boats and that. No, never thought much more about it until we got further out and we could actually see 2 metre breaking waves directly in front of us, and by this time I was kind of tied to where I was going. If I tried to turn around I would have had them bang on the side, so I took them first on the forward corner and managed to turn into it, so I was basically slamming into it. So after that it wasn't quite so bad, but while it was on the front corner, if it had been on the side it wouldn't have been so nice, but on the front corner, well, we could kind of live with it. Just outside of Barbate entrance to the marina, and This is one of these times where you start wondering about your life choices. You know, have I made the right choice here, or should I sell the boat and buy a camper? It's just one of them trips. Well guys, I do have an awful lot more footage of us being thrown around on the boat, but I really don't want to make you seasick, so I'm going to change over a little bit now. But this is a good time to remind you, if you are enjoying what we're showing you, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button. That really does help our channel. It helps it to grow, helps us with algorithms, and it doesn't cost you anything. And please comment. I love reading your comments. I will answer every one of them, so get a comment on there. Oh, we're back to motor sailing. That's the coast of Spain. Quite a beautiful coastline, very rugged. And ahead of us is Africa. Yeah, that's on the coast of Africa. We're not going that far, we're turning into the bay, into the straits. Oh god. Well, that's the Isla de Tarifa. That's the Tarifa lighthouse and the fortifications from when there used to be battles out here with naval ships and such like. Anyway, we're heading up in here, but there's a cattle market. You can probably just see in the distance. Got to keep to the north of that, so that's where we're heading now. Just about to change course. No, it's another one. It's another one. First view of Gibraltar. My second view coming this way, but here's it first. Hi guys, as you can see we made it. We're actually in Alcaidesa Marina, which is just past Gibraltar. So this is the far side of the rock you can see behind me. It's a nice enough marina, just a little bit too big if you ask me. It's very spaced out, a lot of walking, has its downsides, but we are so happy to be here. When we left the Barbate, it was forecast for swell, roughly a metre every 11 seconds, which should be a really comfortable ride. But when we got out of Barbate and saw what it was really like, there was breaking waves, hitting us high from the side. Oh my, it was brown trousers time. But we made it okay. The wind wasn't what it was supposed to be neither. So we've done a lot of more sailing, but you'll see in the video. Anyway, welcome back, and please, if you do like the video, please hit that like and subscribe button for us. It really does help, because as you can see, we don't have a lot of viewers on this channel. Or, well, we've got a few viewers, but not so many of you subscribe. So please subscribe, hit that like button, and give us a thumb up. It always helps for our algorithms. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video.